In New York Harbor, the Statue of Liberty holding a torch symbolizes the most powerful, the most simple message to the world, which is freedom, liberty, and the right to self-determination. Yet, for over 8 decades across the globe, my people, the people of Jammu and Kashmir, still await the fulfillment of this promise as enshrined in the UN resolutions that remain systematically unfulfilled due to the fascism of the Indian state and occupation forces. And this recent statement by the US ambassador to New Delhi when he visited Srinagar and called it Jammu and Kashmir an important part of India, quite frankly, I was shocked because this convenient diplomacy in no way it can replace the historical support of the United States of America towards the long-standing dispute of Kashmir for resolving it peacefully. For over decades, from the times of President Truman to President Kennedy and then moving on to President Clinton, who called it the line of control the most dangerous zone in the world and recognizing it as a nuclear flashpoint before the world. President Trump has many a times post-5th August offered 3 times mediation to resolve the Kashmir conflict along with the aggrieved parties. And recently, quite recently, when this war took place between India and Pakistan, the root cause was the false flag operation, which happened in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. If it was in Lahore, if it was in Delhi, it could no way have become a nuclear ticking time bomb. And that's when President Trump intervened. And hats off to him. We all appreciate the ceasefire. It saved millions of lives. But we must remember that this amnesia, convenient amnesia by the US ambassador, is not in the interest of anyone. If we are going to be supporting this authoritarianism, this fascism of this RSS-led Modi government, then I think we will not be on the right side of history. And America must always stand by its principles and the soul of the American Constitution. And also the conscience of the US. I think I appeal to all of you, the way you've always stood by peaceful and supporting a peaceful solution. My family, we are at the forefront of this freedom movement and we are the symbol of peace. And my husband, the supreme leader, the Gandhi of Kashmir, is part of the solution to solve this nuclear ticking time bomb problem. And it can only happen if the Kashmiri stakeholders are on board. By gifting it to a fascist Modi, it's like legitimizing the genocide that India has been committing for over decades. So please, don't stand with those who are silencing peace and dignity and freedom and self-determination. Stand with all those voices that support global peace and support humanity, international law, UN resolutions, and the international principles of dignity. So my hopes are with the United States of America, world bodies, that you will all support us and we follow what President Trump said, that we want a final settlement of this issue. So that is the only ultimate solution. This is a nuclear flashpoint and this entire region can be engulfed in fire